Welcome to the Spy Collection. Here is Anastasios, and after a while, we'll continue in our journey of the Cellebrite's early digital intelligence collection devices with UME-12. As far as we know, that is the first ever such device that established Cellebrite in the CELLEX space all the way to this day. If you haven't watched our episode on the UME-36 Pro, we recommend you to do so first, since it will provide you with some more context. In a nutshell, up until 1999, that the Israeli company Cellebrite released this, the Universal Memory Exchanger 12, extracting data from mobile devices was something that only subject matter experts could perform. It required deep understanding of each device, its hardware, firmware and software, and even then, it wasn't always trivial without extensive meticulous work in a digital forensics lab environment. However, this allowed people to perform such operations without any requirement for this deep technical understanding. Basically, on this side you add an adapter cable for the mobile device you want to extract data from, the source, and here another adapter cable to the target device that you want to copy the data to. Then using this extremely simple interface you navigate the menu and perform the data extraction operation. UME-12 opened a whole new world not only to spy agencies wanting to extract information from captured mobile devices, but even repair shops that want to copy data or take backups from one device to another, as well as digital forensics experts that could safely extract a copy of a mobile device's data that could be used as evidence during an investigation. This device established Cellebrite as a leader in this space, but let's see how UME-12 actually looked on the inside too. Here you can see the LCD display module, manufactured in China, and it was a high-quality electronic component at the time. Its model is this. On the main board, the M2M3B, we immediately see those three Philips microcontrollers. They are all P89C51RD2BA and are the heart of all of the UME-12's operations. Apart from those three microcontrollers, we also see here an Altera Max CPLD. The Samsung IC is a low-power, full CMOS static RAM module, and those CPECs are high-speed RS-232 transceivers for those serial ports here. Using those serial connectors, you could connect UME-12 to computer or other supported systems. Apparently, this cable here is for the keypad. And in case you want to get also a view of its lower layer, it's this. Now let's put everything back together. And that concludes our episode on this historically important CELLEX device, which set the foundation for modern mobile device exploitation and media extraction. A function that nowadays is so massive that spy agencies across the world literally operate entire centers dedicated to just doing this. All relevant organizations are always seeking for even more advanced capabilities. For example, just to understand how common those intelligence collection capabilities are today, here is an RFI from the US Special Operations Command from 2023, that if we let GovTribes AI summarize it for us, it says, the United States Special Operations Command, US SOCOM, is seeking information on advanced document and media exploitation, DOMEX, tools and equipment. Specifically, non-destructive cellular exploitation CELLEX, and media exploitation MEDEX of small uncrewed multi-domain systems SAMS, and metrology-grade 3D scanner technology. The hardware equipment should be production models capable of performing specific core mission sets conducted by Identity Intelligence and Exploitation I2E SOF operators. The Tactical DOMEX Event 2024 TD24 is scheduled from October 2023 through April 2024 in the Greater Tampa, Florida area. This is quite remarkable, especially considering that in 1999, the UME-12, was one of the most, if not the most, advanced CELLEX capability for several spy agencies globally. But as we've seen again and again in the spy collection, nothing is as it seems.